Hi, it's Julie Marie, and I wanted to show you a few different ways to apply Protective Diet's sugar-free powdered sugar. I put it into an empty spice jar that I washed out. You could apply it this way. Here I have some fresh, hot, baked French toast. And I usually like to cut these into quarters. I also want to show you for the French toast recipe, I fit 8 slices onto my rimmed baking pan by cutting 2 of the slices in half, but you could cut them into quarters as well to make them more single serving, like grab and go type treats for a brunch. But you could sprinkle it on out of your recycled spice jar, or you can use your sugar-free powdered sugar in a traditional shaker jar, or use your tea strainer for your tuber tonic and sprinkle it on just like this. And then tap it and it will come out nice and heavy. You want to put this PD sugar-free powdered sugar on nice and heavy. It's not very sweet because, as you see in the recipe, it's cut. And of course, no grams of sugar. So I would go even heavier on my French toast, and it will melt right in when you top hot French toast. And that's the goal here. Delicious. You have to try both of these Protective Diet recipes.